Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a family member on the Life360 app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Life360 app open on your phone. Once you're in the app and you can see your main screen or circle view, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice an option that says Add a Person. Go ahead and tap on this button to begin the process of inviting someone to your circle. This is the starting point for adding any new family member to your Life360 group, and it makes the whole process really straightforward. After tapping Add a Person, a new screen will appear asking you to choose who you're inviting. Life360 gives you preset relationship options to make things easier and more organized. For example, if you're adding your mother, simply tap on the Mom option. You can also choose from other options like dad, son, daughter, or even a custom label if the person doesn't fit into these categories. Selecting the correct relationship helps everyone in your circle know who's who at a glance, which is especially useful when you have multiple family members in the same circle. Once you've selected the relationship, Life360 will generate a unique invite code specifically for that person. This code will appear on your screen right away. The great thing about this system is that it's simple and secure. Now, all you need to do is send this code to the family member you want to add. You can share it through text message, email, or any messaging app you prefer. Once they receive the code, they'll be able to enter it in their own Life360 app, and they'll automatically join your circle. And just like that, you've successfully added a family member to your Life360 circle, and you can now keep track of each other's locations for safety and peace of mind. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.